Greetings from Lancaster, California. My name is Dr. Jennifer Zellett, and it's my privilege to serve as a Superintendent President of Antelope Valley College. We are so proud to talk to you today about our baccalaureate programs, and we have two fabulous students who are going to share their stories with you. You're going to get to hear from Promise and Geraldine, and you're going to get to hear about the importance of baccalaureate programs in their educational journey and in their life story. In California, we don't serve the traditional college-age student in our baccalaureate programs. We have people who are parents, who are already working, who have family responsibilities, and our baccalaureates are accessible. Not only are they accessible, they're incredibly affordable. A student can earn a baccalaureate degree in our programs for around $11,000, and they can go work in amazing industries like the aerospace industry, which contributes to our national defense. They can work in the medical fields, which provides a wonderful life for their family.
Hello, my name is Promise Roberts. I'm currently employed at Northrop, and I'm an employee at Northrop Grumman.
Hi, my name is Geraldine Martinez. I'm in the Bachelor's of Science in Respiratory Care.
I was never a high school graduate. I dropped out of school years ago. Finally, when my last borns, which are twins, when they graduated high school, they enrolled at Antelope Valley College. That's when I decided to go back to school.
Well, I've been a lab assistant for about 20 years at AV Medical Center. I was getting a little bit bored, so I wanted to try something new, and I actually wanted to help patients. So that's why I enrolled in school to be a respiratory therapist. In 2020, during the pandemic, respiratory therapists were in need because a lot of the patients needed oxygen, and that's what we focus on, is helping the patients breathe. Being a phlebotomist at AV Medical Center, we had to attend to the cold blues, and I wanted to be part of the team that helped save that person's life. Having these classes online gives me the flexibility to be with my family. I have two boys, they're both in sports. It requires a lot of my time, so that doesn't interrupt me from taking them to their practices, taking them to school, or picking them up.
They give you the practice. So you work with composites, you create panels, you do structural work, drilling, because that's what we do at the aerospace company. We're building planes, right? So you have to know all of this. I learned about the bachelor program, and I thought, why would I want to be a mechanic forever? The bachelor's program actually kind of moves you higher off the floor as a mechanic into different positions. But before even getting into the bachelor's program, when I completed my last course for the AFMT program, Northrop, you don't have to go apply to it. These companies come and they give us interviews. I got a job. So love the program so much that I was kept telling my instructors, I want to teach this program. I want to help other people. Because at this age, I'm 60. Is it okay to say my age? I'm 60 years old, but at that time, I was in my late 50s in the beginning.
After receiving my associate's degree here at Antelope Valley College, I was able to get a job right away, and now I'm making good money, and I'm able to provide for my family. I believe that this bachelor's degree program is going to help me open more doors, possibly become a clinical instructor.
A lot of people that otherwise would have been out there in the streets have a career. It's a career, it's not a job. And they pay well. I cannot stress it enough. I wish I had known about this program, the AFMT, the AFMT, the bachelor's, to get to this position. And I have to say, my 401k is doing wonderful.
Keep it tight.